Healthy snacks for cyclists. Have you ever wondered about the ideal fuel to keep you pedaling through long rides, maintaining your energy levels, and ensuring your body gets the necessary nutrients for peak performance? Cycling is an exhilarating sport that demands both physical endurance and the right kind of sustenance. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In our exploration of healthy snacks for cyclists, we delve into the world of cycling and nutrition, unveiling the secrets of how to choose the perfect snacks to keep you energized, enhance your recovery, and optimize your performance on the road. Get ready to embark on a journey that celebrates the transformative potential of healthy snacks, leaving you curious about how these snacks can be the key to achieving your cycling goals. 1. The cyclist's energy demands. Our journey begins with an acknowledgement of the extraordinary energy demands that cyclists face, emphasizing the importance of proper nutrition in meeting these requirements. 2. Snacking for sustained energy. Cycling isn't just about the main meals, it's about the snacks that keep you going. We'll explore how healthy snacks provide sustained energy for your rides. 3. Pre-ride fuel. The snack you consume before a ride can significantly impact your performance. We'll discuss ideal pre-ride snacks to ensure you start your journey strong. 4. Mid-ride refueling. Long rides require mid-ride refueling. We'll delve into the kinds of snacks that are easy to carry and provide quick energy. 5. Post-ride recovery. Recovery is a crucial aspect of cycling. We'll explore post-ride snacks that aid in muscle recovery and overall well-being. 6. Nutrient balance. Cyclists need a balance of macronutrients and micronutrients. We'll discuss the importance of protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals in snacks. 7. Hydration with snacks. Proper hydration is essential. We'll talk about how snacks can complement your hydration strategy and keep you well-fueled. 8. The journey to cyclists' performance. In conclusion, healthy snacks for cyclists is a testament to the fact that optimizing your performance and endurance on the road isn't just about your training regimen. It's about recognizing the transformative power of well-chosen, healthy snacks in meeting the unique nutritional needs of cyclists. It's not just about finishing the race, it's about the journey to becoming a stronger, more energized cyclist through the right snacking choices. As we embark on this journey into the world of healthy snacks for cyclists, you'll discover the transformative potential of incorporating nutritious snacks into your cycling routine. It's a journey of embracing the significance of snacking for endurance, recovery, and performance, empowering you to achieve your cycling goals, one pedal at a time. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.